Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have some comments about Dusk in Dawn by Shehbaz Afzal Bezar. Allah has blessed all of His creatures with the sense of feelings. So is the man. That is why, when a man finds himself in such a situation, he has an extra ability gifted to him by his Creator, which is known as the sense of utterance about that feelings. He uses his ability of expression in speaking as well as writing. When he saves his memories in his verses, that is known as poetry. In poetry, all types of thoughts can be expressed, that is romantic, philosophical, sad, etc. Sometimes he composes them consciously and sometimes unconsciously. That is the demand of poetry. Shehbaz Afzal Bezar is a young English poet of Faisalabad. He has composed his first volume of poems named Dusk in Dawn. This volume carries 48 poems on all the topics belonging to life and its problems. This book is full of so many beautiful and attractive poems and verses. For example, AH 2009 carries in itself the different feelings of the poet, as he says, rain and storm, screams and ire, blood and flood, smoke and fire, blooms and prosperity, man made adversity. These lines show that the poet has felt the different events of the year 2009. The poet is very much practical in utopia when he says, let us go to a place where exists no violence, where livers are not tens, where no tears and turmoils, where public and loyal where rests such a grace. There are so many examples which can be quoted appreciating his attempts. I congratulate him on the publication of his book and pray for him that his hidden talent in poetry may come out rightly in future.